Namaste all the viewers. I am Basha from Krishna Pulse and Jewelers, Jubilee Hills, road number 36. It's near check post, Hyderabad. It is also very near to metro station also. I got a very nice collection today. So I am going to explain one by one. Please comments. We need your comments. If you want to see something exclusive pieces also, I can show you. So these are all our nice collection. Bride and groom also we have very nice collection. This next month will be the marriage season, so I got a very nice collection today. With the pearl combination and stone combination. So please do visit our website, or you can directly visit to our store, or you can call to our number 9248036721. See this one. This has combination with the pearl, stone and gold, 22 karat gold. What we have used in here. The very nice piece for the bride and groom also. See this one, very tiny pearls here. What we have used in between, here is the ruby stones, carving stone on top of this. Here very nice cap we have used, the gold cap, and top of this here peacock here, peacock with green and multi color stone, green, red and white stone in between. And here what we have used inside is the thread here, the natural freshwater pearls. See, I will wear and I'll show you. It's a very nice piece. See, for groom it's a very exclusive piece. This is on sherwanis, look very pretty. See this one. Adjustable thread with what we have given at the back side. See this one. For back side we have given adjustable thread to increase and decrease the size. I tell my person to take a shot from the long full close up, full screen. See, a very nice piece. It's an adjustable thread here. It can go up like this. On sherwani it looks very pretty. It's a very nice piece. See, in this one what we have used, the gold content is 23.98 grams. Overall the weight is approximately 190 grams total weight. So the gold content is 23.9 grams. So rest of the weight is for the stone and pearls. So it costing you approximately 3,90,000. And part of the pearl and stone we are giving discount also. If you are in the city, please do visit our store. It is situated in Hyderabad, road number 36, Jubilee Hills, near metro station. It is near to check post also. Very easy accessible landmark is there. So we have similar kind of more collections. This is just a demo I am showing you. Very nice collection today I got it for you. And we are giving free shipping all over India also. And on plain pearls, if it is without gold, we are giving 20% directly off. For gifting purpose, we have starting from earrings, 300, 400 rupees also. Very nice collection we have. So I am going to show one more exclusive piece. It is without gold. See, without gold, this is what we have used in here: ruby and the sapphire, red, green, red, blue and white. So this is also very nice piece. See, I'll show you. For groom, it's a very pretty piece. I got it here. See this one. On Sherwani, it looks very pretty. Here is the sapphires, blue color stone. On top of this, what we have used ruby and the pearl here. These are all freshwater pearls. All stones are natural and the pearls are all real pearls. And here what we have done, the CZ with the silver based here, no gold at all. So it's a very nice piece. This is a 5-line chain. See, for groom it's very pretty, and after that she can also wear it. See, these are all freshwater pearls. Here are the sapphires. On top of that, we have used in rubies also. Here small 2 pendants like this. 2 brooches here, 2 pendants like this. Brooches. See, that's brooches. So the cost is also very less here. Approximately it's costing you 45,500. On top of this, we are giving 20% off, and we are giving free shipping all over India. And we get offer also. And if you want to go for some matching earring after groom will wear, she want to wear it, we have nice collection with the earrings. Our executive will help you to show to this matching earring also. This is a very nice collection. And instead of this, if you want to go for some green color also, it can be customized. Now blue and red white combination is looking very pretty, very nice piece. So please do comment if you are liking this product, or you can book a slot also. One more set I got you with a pendant. This is also the gold polish. This is not gold, this is a gold polish with the 3 lines here. The base metal what we have used, this is alloy, and here what we have given a side by side 2 pearls here. Here the zircon stones. These are 3-line pearls necklace, and we are making very nice earrings to match this also. See how pretty it is. This is a very nice piece. I'll show you. I can show you from the close-up view. I'll show you for this one. See this. See this one. Freshwater pearls, 3-line chain with the CZ and the yellow polish, and I am giving you matching earring for this also. It's coming with the matching earrings. So please do visit our website, or you can call to our number 92480 It's easy accessible on WhatsApp, and we are giving free shipping also, and the costing you approximately 13,500 for this. 13,500 rupees for the whole set, and we are getting 20% off also on this one. See this. It's a very pretty piece. A lot more collection similar to like this we have in this range also. It's a very nice for the gifting purpose. See the nice earrings. I'll show you from this. See how nice it is. Here the zircon stone on top of this yellow polish. The base metal what we have used, that is alloy one and CZ stones. I'll tell my camera person to just have a browse, a glance look for our showroom. We have very nice collections here. It is in Jubilee Hills, road number 36, Hyderabad. So this is the pearl section what we have. And we have nice collection in gold and diamonds also, and silver collections also. Silver articles we have, diamond collection we have. See this one. These are collection what we have here. Very nice pieces for bride and groom. So please do visit our store here in Hyderabad. This is our pearl section here, pearl with gold section. We have silver combination also here. These are all our gold collection. See, very nice earrings also we have. These are all chain section, gold chain section. Here, these are all silver with pearl collection we have. Pearl strings. We have basic starting range from a set will come approximately 3000 bahts, 3000 rupees, and pearl bracelet also we have, and we have some oxidized jewelry, silver oxide jewelry also. And very nice stone collection also we have. Ruby, emerald, sapphire, those also we have. These are precious stones what we have here. Ruby, sapphires, emeralds. So we have a lot more collections. You can please do visit our website, or if you are in Hyderabad, you can visit our store. So guys, this is a small view of our store. You can please visit our store in Hyderabad, road number 36, Jubilee Hills. So I got one more collection here. See, this is a aquamarine stone. Aquamarine with a gold pendant. In between what we have given a green stones is a peacock here. Combination with pearl and aquamarine stone. In between a gold ball. Inside is a thread here. This also can be worn by bride and groom. See, a very pretty piece. The exclusive piece. See how nice it is. So please don't forget to comment. Any query you have, please comment it. So please do visit our website, and Instagram also you can follow. On Instagram you can follow here, and WhatsApp number also we have. So we have multiple branches in Hyderabad. We are near to Charminar also. Our store is there near Pattargatti. So we are in Star Hotels also, just like Taj Krishna and Novotel. And it's a very big, very nice showroom in Jubilee Hills. We have diamond collections, we have gold collection, and even we have in silver also, silver articles also we have. We have one more nice oxidized silver jewelry. See, something like this. This is a oxidized silver jewelry. These are pearls, the real pearls, and the green in the bottom. What we have given is green onyx stones. So these kind of, we have a lot more patterns. Just I am showing you sample. For any query, please do visit our website or you can WhatsApp, and please don't forget to comments. If you have any kind of jewelry, I can show you in the next session also. Nowadays the coral is very famous here. Very nice jewelry we are making in the coral also. Coral with pearl and green stone. See, this is in gold. 22 karat gold what we have used. And on every gold jewelry we are giving a hallmark compulsory. It is certified 22 karat gold will be there. And nice gold benefit schemes also we are giving. So you can use our schemes also, gold benefit scheme. If you are paying 11 months, the company is paying 1 month. So after completing the 12 months, you can buy jewelry. One free bonus it will get you. And one more exclusive piece I will show you for the bride. See, this is a Mata Patti here and the Mangtika, and it can be used as a necklace also. It can be used as a necklace. If you are removing this thing, the chain on top of this, it can be used as a necklace. This is a very exclusive piece of our store. The gold content is here 16.7 grams. The total weight is coming for 36 grams. So approx costing you 1,30,000 rupees. So this kind of jewelry also we have. Very nice wedding collections we have in our store in road number 36, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. So please don't forget to visit our store. Very nice bracelet and bangles also we have. So this is oxidized. One more, I got oxidized earrings. On suits, it looks very pretty. See, it is a 925 pure silver and oxidized jewelry. See this one. So please don't forget to comment. Please visit our website, or you can call to our number 92480 36721. You can WhatsApp, or you can visit our website, or you can visit our Instagram. You can follow our Instagram. So guys, today I think you have a very nice collection what I have shown you. So please do visit our store for diamond, gold and pearl jewelry also. It is situated in road number 36, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad, near to metro station. So I think you like very nice collection today I got you. So in the next session I'll get you more collections also. So have a nice day, viewers. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.